Mark Scholero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely beautiful 1968 Honda Z50. These Honda Z50s are becoming extremely collectible. 1968 was the first year they were imported, so obviously this bike is the most collectible of the earlier generation Z50s. This bike was professionally restored. It's extremely correct. This year did not have the headlight, taillight, things like that. It's the correct color combination. It's also a matching numbers bike. Again, it's super example of a 68 Honda Z50. Most of these bikes are restored incorrectly. They don't run. People just kind of build them more for a trophy. We actually ran this through our service department. We got it running beautifully. All of that information is documented on our website. For a complete description with tons of photos, visit msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start it and let you listen to how beautiful it runs.